guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to get from this to this. So if you want to see how I get this nice 5 minutes flawless makeup, click that red subscribe here right now, and also turn on your bell. I do upload every single Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday. So yeah, easy, simple, 5 minutes and you're done. Alright guys, so enjoy and let's get started. Okay guys, so first thing first, make sure you moisturize your lips with anything you want to moisturize with. Doesn't have to be Fenty, but I want to do Fenty today. So go ahead and moisturize your lips. And it's very important to moisturize your lips because you don't want your lips to be very choppy, because when it's choppy, it's going to split, it's going to bleed, and that doesn't look good at all. So moisturize your lips. Secondly, I'm going to go into my primer and also my moisturizer. This one is the Ultra Repair Cream for dry skin. You guys already know that I do have dry skin, so this is what I use. And I'm also going to go ahead and use my Maybelline Master Primer. So afterwards, this is the longest part, which is your eyebrow. You have to do your eyebrow, you have to clean it up, you have to do all of that stuff. So this takes a little bit longer. So before you do all of that stuff, go ahead and do your eyebrow first. So this is not going to be in the 5 minutes makeup tutorial, so I'm just going to go ahead and speed this process up and do my eyebrow. Okay, so you already know the drill. I did my eyebrow and I put the concealer all the way down, and you know this is what I always use, my MAC concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Patrickstarrr powder and just set my concealer. Okay, so next you're going to go ahead and put your foundation on. But if you do have dark spot underneath your eyes or wherever, you could go ahead and use your LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color orange or any color corrector. But since I do not really have dark spot, I'm going to go ahead and run straight into my foundation. And the foundation I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Fit Me. And I'm in the shade 355 Coconut. Okay, so the next part is the concealer. You could skip this part if you do not want to do concealer, or you could go ahead and use your concealer. I'm using the Fenty Match Stix Trio, and this is in suede. And I'm just going to quickly just put some right underneath my eyes. Then afterwards, you're going to go back into your powder, and I'm going back with Patrickstarrr powder. And I'm going to go ahead and just set underneath my eyes. And you could also use this powder to set the rest of your face. So just go ahead and take a bigger brush and just dip it in and just set the rest of your face. So this is optional. You could go ahead and use your contour kit. I'm going to go ahead and contour just a little bit. Next, I'm going to go into my Nubian by Juvia's Place palette, and I'm only going to take one shade, and I'm only going to put, I'm going to take this shade right here at the bottom, and I'm going to put it onto a brush, and I'm only going to put it right into the crease and a little bit over. I just want to have my eyelid to have a little bit of color, not too much. So I'm only going to put one shadow, and I'm also going to put it right in onto my eyelid. So basically just put it all over your eyelid. Afterwards, I'm going to go into my mascara, and I'm using my Bad Girl Bang from Benefits. Okay guys, so lashes are optional. I'm not going to do lashes today. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with my Revolution Pro Fix spray. Next, I'm going to go into my Alexis Ren with ColourPop, and I'm going to take the shimmer color right here. And I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit, not too much. And I'm also going to put some right here. So next is the lips, and I'm going to go ahead and put my Patrickstarrr Mahogany with MAC on, and I'm going to go ahead and use my Fenty again. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Tell me what you want me to do next. And yeah, I will definitely see you again in my next video. Bye guys.